19 Mathematics past question 3. Simplify 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 3 whole number 3 over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 8, all in brackets. A 2 whole number 8 over 15, B 5 whole number 8 over 15, C 6 whole number 7 over 8, D 8 whole number 1 over 3, and E 8 whole number 2 all over 3. So we are asked to simplify 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus in brackets 3 whole number 3 all over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 8. Now we have a positive sign before the brackets and we have what a division sign in the brackets. But first of all, let's deal with what the brackets. Let's solve for those in the brackets first before coming what to the one outside the bracket. That means we are to open this bracket. Now for us to open this bracket, we have 2 whole number 1 all over 3 plus 3 whole number 3 all over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 all over 8. Now let's deal with the brackets first of all. Now in the bracket we have 3 whole number 3 all over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 all over 8. Now these numbers are in what? They are in mixed numbers. They are mixed numbers, and for us to continue with any calculation, we have to convert them to what? To improper fractions. And by converting this now to improper fraction, we multiply it by the what? By denominator and add it to the numerator. Now the denominator is 5, so therefore we have 3 times 5 to give us 15, and 15 plus 3 will give us 18. So therefore we have what? 18 all over 5. Then divided by, here we have 8 as the denominator. So 1 times 8 will give us 8, plus 1 will give us 9. 9 all over 8. Now in mathematics, when dealing with a division in fraction, you have to convert this division sign to multiplication sign, and by doing that, your right hand side, the denominator will become the numerator, and the numerator here will become the denominator. So therefore now we were having what? 18 all over 5 multiplied by 8 over 9. We've introduced the word multiplication sign. Now this 8 here has become the numerator and the 9 here has become the denominator. So now we have what? 18 all over 5 times 8 over 9. Now 9 can go into 18 2 times, twice, and here once. So we will have what? 2 times 8 to give us what? 16. Then 5 times 1 to give us what? 5. So in the bracket now we have what? 16 all over 5. Now let's come back to this now. So therefore we have what? 2 whole number 1 all over 3 plus 16 all over 5. Remember, this 16 all over 5 was gotten from the what? From the simplification of the brackets. Now this is also in a mixed number. We have to convert it to what? To an improper fraction, and by doing that we say 2 times 3 to give us 6, plus 1 will give us 7 all over 3 plus 16 all over 5. So we have 3 here and we have 5 here. Now let's look for the LCM of 3 and 5. Now the LCM of 3 and 5 is what? Is 15. 15. Now 3 we go into 15 5 times, and 5 times 7 will give us what? Will give us 35, plus 5 we go into 15 3 times. 5 we go into 15 3 times, and 3 times 16 will give us 48. 48. So therefore we have that what? 35 plus 48 over 15. 35 plus 48 over 15, and that will give us 83 all over 15. So therefore we have 83 all over 15. Now 83 over 15 is what we've gotten now, but we have to break this 83 over 15 down by converting it to 2 and So a mixed number, remember it's an improper fraction now, so we have to convert it to a mixed number. It's 3 over 15. And by doing that, we'll say what? 83 divided by 15 will give us 83 divided by 15 will give us 5 whole number. 83 divided by 15 will give us 5 whole number 8 all over 15. 5 whole number 8 over 15. So this is the answer to this question. So the simplification of 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus in brackets 3 whole number 3 over 5 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 8 is equals to what? 5 whole number 8 all over 15. Now from the option here, option B corresponds to our answer, 5 whole number 8 over 15. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.